Hey everyone, Albert here at FASS Fuel Systems, and I'm excited to announce the release of our Titanium Signature Series and our No Drop Series for the 2023 and 2024 6.7 liter Powerstroke. These kits include several new important features. First is our newly designed plug-and-play wiring harness that incorporates the 10 ohm resistor and the key-on ignition power source from the OEM fuel pump control module. This makes wiring your FASS fuel system far simpler and retains OEM-like functionality. Secondly, these retain the factory venturi, which helps keep the fuel bucket full during low fuel conditions. As mentioned, both Titanium Signature Series and No Drop Fuel System kits are now available for the 2023 and 2024 Fords with the 6.7 liter Powerstroke. For those who would like to avoid dropping the fuel tank for installation, the No Drop kit includes our popular fuel sump kit. The fuel sump kit makes installation far easier without sacrificing any functionality. Now, to learn more or find a dealer near you or to get yours today, check out fassride.com.